Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Menyoo 2.0 in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. Menyoo is one of the most popular mod menus for GTA 5. It allows you to spawn vehicles, change the weather, and access many gameplay features. First, open your browser and go to the GTA 5 mods website. Download Menyoo 2.0 and save the file on your PC. Next, download script hook V, which is required for mods to run properly. Once both downloads are complete, you should have two zip files. Now, open your GTA 5 installation folder based on your launcher. Before installing, extract both zip files by right-clicking and selecting Extract All. After extraction, you can delete the zip files. Open the script hook V folder and go to the bin folder. Copy script hook V, dinput 8, and native trainer, then paste them into your GTA 5 installation folder. Next, open the Menyoo folder and copy Menyoo.ase and the Menyoo stuff folder into the same GTA 5 directory. Before launching the game, open Rockstar Launcher settings and disable Battle Eye. Start GTA 5 in story mode and press F8 to open Menyoo. So that's basically how you can install Menyoo 2.0 in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks.